How to see your posted reels on Instagram. So there's two ways to do this. This just allows you to be able to see the reels that you posted. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. And really simply enough, your default will probably show all of your posts, but what you can do is under where it says edit profile or share profile, you'll be able to see your post, but right next to it, you'll be able to see the reels. And this is all that you need to really do. If you do want to go through the menu, it's easy as well. So what you want to do is go to the three lines at the top right-hand corner. And you want to come down until you see where it says your activity. And then from your activity, you want to find where it says content you shared. And this will also give you what it's showed to you on your profile page. So go ahead and choose Reels. And this is it. So there's two ways to do it. It's very simple. One way is through your profile and the other way is through your settings. And that's it. That's how you would go about seeing your posted reels on your Instagram.